People often wonder what someone might go see a chiropractor for. There are many things that chiropractic or chiropractors treat. Most common, of course, is pain. As in any healthcare entity these days, people are going to go there because they're in some kind of pain. And so in the pain realm, we can treat anything from headaches to neck pain, to middle back pain, to lower back pain, to extremity pain. But people that have actually been through the chiropractic process for some length of time start to realize that actually, because the nervous system, again, encompasses every portion of your body and every single cell, they have a tendency to realize that as they're getting treated for, let's say, a pain symptom, eventually they start to notice systemic things that start to clear up. For instance, some people will come in for a middle back pain problem, and all of a sudden they're starting to breathe better, or their asthma is starting to clear up. And so, again, the nervous system not only affects pain fibers, but it also starts to innervate the more systemic situation. So really there's an unlimited potential for chiropractic. Yes, we do treat pain, but we also do treat and help to treat other systemic problems as well.